Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off breach risk notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching your settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find Breach Risk Game. Now tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn off breach risk notifications, disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off breach risk notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.